Lenovo's $700 ThinkPad S431 touchscreen laptop, hands-on, black finish optional. Don't expect twisting, folding, or detachable goodness here. This ThinkPad is all notebook at heart, although optimized for Windows 8 with a built-in multi-point touchscreen. Then we have our review for the Fractal Design Define R4, an enthusiast PC case, minus the Extreme. There's certainly a market for extreme designs, but there's also a large crowd who appreciate a well-made, understated case with clean styling and all those great features that make building a PC enjoyable. Next up, GammaTech's U12Ci notebook is the perfect fit for the road warrior. Most of today's mobile devices are delicate creatures. A spill, drop, or even a little crunch can cut off your contact to the connected world, and possibly cut off your connection to a lifetime worth of work. If you're worried about keeping that content safe, GammaTech can nestle it inside the new U12Ci notebook. This mobile PC is built tough, specifically with today's public safety professionals in mind. Now we have the team at Logitech making teleconferencing compact with a pair of webcams. Work expects you to be everywhere at once, but that's not always humanly possible. For those times when your face needs to make an appearance, web conferencing can put you across town, across the country, or across the entire world. Logitech is the king of webcams and has a pair of compact consumer camera solutions for those wishing to see eye to eye with someone from a distance. Now this is cool. The Black Diamond 3 speaker is a glowing ball of sound. ACase teamed up with design company YanTouch for the new Black Diamond 3. This compact Bluetooth speaker uses the power of USB to crank music alongside a little personal light show. As the speaker plays, the glowing crystal inside will change colors. So just put on a little Pink Floyd and enjoy. And today we end with a few laughs. The worst DIY PC repairs. You think you've seen it all until now. All right, that's all the WTF we have time for today. But make sure you click the links in the video description to learn more. And we'll see you next time for more WTF.